Traditional storage solutions are often complex, inflexible, and prone to failures, requiring constant manual management and optimization that can be both time-consuming and costly. Meet SCRIBE, the Scale Computing Reliable Independent Block Engine, a powerful and critical software component of Scale Computing HyperCore. SCRIBE is an intelligent, enterprise-class storage layer designed specifically for the KVM-based SC HyperCore hypervisor, enhancing system responsiveness and performance for virtualized workloads. It automatically discovers all storage devices, SSDs, NVMe, and spinning disks, and combines them into a single, manageable storage pool. This pool allows instant read-write access across all nodes in the cluster, enabling data redundancy, load balancing, and tiered prioritization. The innovation expands beyond this. SCRIBE automates complex storage management tasks, avoiding single points of failure and reducing administrative overhead. It supports features like data reliability, snapshots, cloning, deduplication, and replication. It even allows VMs to live migrate during one-click rolling updates, maintaining reliability. SCRIBE also supports remote replication, enabling VMs to be cloned and powered on at a remote site, ensuring continuous protection and recovery. With SCRIBE, storage management becomes simpler, eliminating the need for manual optimizations and minimizing the risk of data corruption or performance degradation. Ready to see it in action? Book your personalized one-on-one demo with Scale Computing today.